I got the NC out for some motorcycle camping. One of my neighbors told me about this place that I can go to. Apparently it's somebody's land, but he said it was cool to go over there and camp. So right now the trick is just trying to find it. The directions are kind of sketchy, but we'll see what we get. There's a road up here I'm supposed to go left on that goes up. That's the directions that I was given, the description. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this looks like a road that goes up. And then apparently this turns into a gravel road somewhere. I'm not really sure how long I'm going to be on this, so I'll go for a little while. Yeah, this has got to be it. Should open up into some farmland up here. Yep, this is it. Okay, cool. Now I'm looking for, I don't think this is technically a gravel road. It's supposed to turn into a gravel road. And then I'm looking for a dirt road. Okay, here we go, gravel road. Let's see. Okay, so now what I'm looking for is a dirt road. Yeah, I haven't been out camping in a while. I've either been really busy with work or the house or, you know, life. This will officially be my first camping trip of 2016. First moto camp in a long time. Okay, let me see. He didn't say anything about turning. He said look for a dirt road. Oh no, this is a private residence. Dog is freaking me out a little bit. This looks like a dirt road. I guess you could call this a road. Holy crap. I guess I stand corrected. This definitely puts a dent in my plans. Well, there's fish in there. I'm assuming they're going to be putting that drain pipe over here, covering it. Well, I really wish somebody would have told me about that. I don't really see a way around it. I see a little road over here, but I don't think there's any way to actually get across this to get to the other side. Well, change of plans? maybe I'll just pull off the side of the road somewhere and just set up a camp. I think that's what I might do. Found a spot I'm going to camp. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the road's right over there. I kind of fought my way through all these little trees. I wanted to get far enough away from the road that nobody saw me. There doesn't seem to be any kind of buildings back here, so I should be okay. I'm going to go ahead and throw my tent up and then get some food cooking. Sleeping bag, tent poles, and that's it. So today I'm going to be using my Vargo stainless steel stove. It's just a little stainless steel stove. It's all hinged together. And there's these little grooves on the side where these pieces just kind of lock in place. And it has a little door. I tried to clear this area as best I could to make it safe from all the leaves, because you actually need to use wood fuel for these guys.
I'll be doing is using cotton ball with some petroleum jelly on it to get this guy lit. That's what I brought to cook. Was I got some kielbasa, a couple red potatoes, some mushrooms with clove of garlic, and take a little oil that I brought with me. Now my original plan was to camp on that guy's property, and I could do a Dakota fire hole, I guess, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fry up these potatoes, cut them down nice and small so they cook a little quicker. I was just going to throw these on a fire, but I don't think I'll be having a fire tonight. One really nice thing about these little stoves is they actually don't use a lot of fuel at all. These little twigs I barely used, probably enough to get even a little proper fire going, to be honest. Take this stuff off. Some water going for some coffee. I've never actually used the Stanley pot on this. I'm glad that it actually fits. After a long day riding, setting up camp, making some food, there's just nothing like it. Sitting by a little mini fire, getting some coffee going, and some good food to eat. Well, it looks like it's starting to get dark, so I think I'm probably gonna hop in the tent. It'll be dark here in about 20 minutes. Go ahead and turn in for the night. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I got another camping trip planned in April, the second week. be going out for a couple days. So I'm really looking forward to that. That's going to be a lot of fun. But if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe. Really do appreciate it. But I'll catch you guys next time.
Good night, guys.